twins. How cute.
Cute? We're scary. And you're scared right now, you big scaredy cat.
Oh, sweetie, I think it's scary that you think you're scary. You guys are adorbs. Here's some rainbow treats for being such cutie corns. By the way, that's how you do scary, twinnies. Good luck.
I can so be scary. A little trick or treat?
Huh?
Huh? Why are you roaring?
Oh, I thought this was a game. Wait, aren't you witches? Why are you roaring?
Yeah, but forget it.
Cute witches, though. Want some candy? Here's some candy corn for the cutest twinnycorns in all of Rainbowville. Nice dresses, by the way. You look pretty.
Pretty or pretty scary?
I'd say you're more cutie than spooky. Anyway, cuties, I've got a split. A banana split, that is. Ha!
Why doesn't anyone think we're scary? Ooh, yay! You are scary. Boo-boo, that wasn't me.
Boo!
What a bunch of scaredy-corns. Pixel, is that you?
Hey, twinnycorns, wait for me!